this time we are going to be making a human heart map. And it's basically the same thing as the interactive map videos. Like, okay, yeah, so we're gonna hover over this. Okay, it's the Orda. So if I want to know more, okay, I click on it, and then I have all of this information. Right atrium, left. Why is the left so much? Huh, okay. And then we have this one. Oh yeah, I forgot that's not anything. Then this is just like the regular heart, not really any specific part. Um, and yeah, so this is the image that I used. And so the best part is that it's pretty much already in SVG. Yeah, see? SVG code is valid. SVG development. Yeah, you can read all of this stuff if you want to, but after you whoa. After you go ahead and download this thing, then once you go ahead and download that, go ahead and go to your code editor. And why am I on JavaScript? We're gonna start with HTML first. And now, we just need the skeleton, right? Because HTML always starts with a skeleton. Okay? And here is our HTML. Now the first thing, skeleton. Whoa, alright. And the first thing is that we're going to do is, title. It's the thing where you like hover over like the tab and it shows like the name. So, diagram of the human heart. And wherever you can find this image, I'll provide it in the description. If you want, of course, you can just go ahead and use any other SVG as long as it has like little like sections. I'll show you what that means in a second, really quick. But first, heart map and heart map. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna deal with this later because our main focus right now is the heart itself, right? Like getting the thing to show up. So here's all the code right now. It's really cool, and I'm really glad that we do not have to type this by hand. So all that we have to do now is just there we go. Control A, Control C. And then we gotta paste it inside the body. Okay? And what that should do is, okay, so I pulled it up, and this is what it should look like. There should be a scroller on here, but I get that over here there's no scroller. We're gonna fix that in CSS, in the last video. But yeah, there's a scroller here. It should show all of this. Now, I really hate these gradients. I don't know why. I just have something against them. So this is an optional step. Whoa, oops. Okay, this is an optional step. But what you can do is you can go up here. All the way up here, I guess. Okay. So, find at the end of these gradient thingies. Again, this is if you're using the image that I'm using, the Wikipedia Commons image. Okay, yeah, you'll find the end of this, and you'll do this, which is the end of a HTML comment, and then you go up here, and then you find the beginning of these things, and then you go ahead and comment them out. Now what that should do is, yeah, okay, they're all gone, like right here. Yeah, see, there's no gradients. It's only the shadows that, in fact, do not have gradients. And, of course, if you want the gradients, because, like, the gradients make it more cool. Do you think it makes it cool? I don't know. Okay, anyways. Okay, now, we don't need this anymore. This has already done its job. And, one more thing, never mind. Okay, so, alright, so the next thing is, I don't know why I went up in the first place. Okay, so, let me find one. Let me find a good one. Okay, you see this inferior vena cava? So, basically, what we want to do now is we want to make this hoverable. So, like, you know, when you hover over that part and it makes it show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go at the end of here and say inferior vena cava and end it. Now, if we just leave it like this, yeah, it's probably going to do that. So you're going to have to delete this because it's going to make it angry. Because this is the thing. Anytime you see like a backslash, that's a sign that that tag is closed. So we don't want two path closing things. I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and refresh the page. Somehow we're down here now, and let's find the inferior vena cava. Okay, that's not that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, nothing's wrong. Usually the best way to check for errors is if you like use the inspect function. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Here we go. Inferior vena cava. Okay, what if we do that? Maybe like a new indenting? Okay, 1 second. Let me try something. Okay, so if I go here and then I drag this to form a new tab. Oh, okay. Because normally, whenever I first did this, it would always like, there would be no changes when I refresh it. So then I have to open a new page. And it would pretty much be like, just that, I guess. It's gonna be found it. It's going to be the previous, the same thing as it originally was instead of adding the new change to it. So that's pretty much why I thought that, but apparently that's not the case, and apparently I did something wrong. So let me check for whatever I did wrong. Alright, so I found it. You're supposed to use title, like the title tag inside it, so like the computer knows, oh wait, I'm actually supposed to show this thing. Wow. Okay, now it should work. Refresh. Woo, look at that. Look, see? It says inferior vena cava. And you can do that with pretty much all the parts, so let's see. So if we come back here, we can go ahead and copy this part, because this is the important part. And now, pulmonary vein 2, and we can go ahead and go over here, delete this, because we don't like it. It's the pulmonary vein, right? Pulmonary vein. And I think there's only one pulmonary vein, but I'm just gonna say pulmonary vein 2 as of right now, because it's like the safest thing. Okay, now it's left ventricle. Oh dang it, I forgot this part. And you know what, I'm just gonna copy this so it makes my life easier. Remove the step. We like removing extra steps whenever we can, right guys? Pulmonary vein 1. Never mind, it starts on another line. Okay, got it. Pulmonary vein 1. Left atrium. Okay, and you pretty much just do this. There aren't many parts, actually. What was this one again? Right ventricle. Okay, there we go. Right ventricle. Right atrium. Okay. And even though I made this already, I didn't really pay any attention to what these things do. So if you want to know what these things do not ask me. You can either go to my website in the description, or you can search up like some kind of tutorial. Not tutorial, but like a lesson on the heart, maybe. Wait, what was this? The pulmonary artery, okay. And like they will explain it better than me because I don't know. I just know that there's a superior some kind of blood vessel. Yeah, okay. I don't even know what the award. Oh yes, the superior vena cava. Don't ask me about the accent. Vena cava. Also, I don't know how to actually pronounce these things, so if I'm pronouncing them wrong, you can point it out to me. Heart. Yeah, so with this one, we don't really need to do anything because, like, a heart is a heart, and we're mainly focusing on the parts right now. And not, like, oops. A pulmonary. Is this artery or is this a vein? Okay, is this, I need to go back, please. I hate this. Why are the scrollers so tiny? Artery. Okay, got it. Thank you. Pulmonary artery 1. Yes, it is. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is this a tricuspid? Tricuspid valve. Alright. Oh, that's tricuspid. Alright. I think I pronounced that right, guys. Right. Tricuspid valve 2, not value. Okay. Tricuspid valveway. Yes, valveway. Mitchell value. Mitchell valve. I thought. Oh wait, I forgot. There's no values. It's just valves. Okay, got it. Okay, and then we're gonna delete this so then it closes out the path that we put there. Okay, now we're gonna scroll. Oh yes, dang, I forgot about the pulmonary valves. We can't forget the pulmonary valves, right? Okay, path, rect. Aortic. This video is just gonna. Aortic valve. Okay, yeah. This video is pretty much going to be me guessing how to pronounce these, because I'm not a medical expert, in case you did not know. I mean, why would I be? My channel is literally just about coding. Like, why would you expect me to know this stuff? You have the internet. Path. Ellipse, path. Rect. Did I miss anything? No. Rect, path. More paths, more rects. Nothing interesting that we want to see. All these random. Ooh, did I miss something? Oh yeah. So these vena salvas in one, you can just ignore them because they don't really do anything. Like, I don't think they're like a really important part. And if they are, you can add them. If you want, of course. Yeah, okay, there's nothing really interesting. Yeah, it's pretty much done, eh? So then we're gonna go back here, refresh, and then we hit aorta, yes. Superior vena cava. We have the inferior vena cava, the pulmonary vein 2, pulmonary vein number 1, pulmonary artery 2, and pulmonary artery 1. I find it interesting how this isn't connected to this. Is it connected, but like they have different jobs? Because that doesn't make any sense. Left atrium. aortic valve 2. Not acoustic. Pulmonary. Why is that pulmonary? Tricuspid valve 2. Where atrium? Ah, so they're basically the same thing. Alright, well, it's fine. Yeah, when you hover over this, it doesn't really do anything. I mean, of course, like, let me go quickly find the heart really quick. Of course we can fill in the heart. We can just say heart. And then for the, oops, we skipped it. And then for, like, the clickable part thingies, we can just ignore it, right, guys? Okay, I'm waiting for a big chunk. Aha. There it is! Okay. I'm gonna come here and do this. Heart. There we go. Make sure to save after each change. And now once you hover over some area that the guy doesn't know, hey, I don't know what this thing is, you can just say heart. Because they're probably not any type of the, like, aorta superior vena cava. All those crazy fancy stuff, right? So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next one, we will be making it clickable. Something much more interesting than just hovering over it and getting the name. But hovering over it is useful, actually, because you know the name of it, and if you're like, oh, I actually do not know what this part is, I didn't know that it even existed, you can click on it and then get the fact about it. Yes, what it does. So this basically is like the interactive map, like the world map one, except with a heart. That's pretty obvious, right? So in the next video, I will be making this clickable by using the same technique I used in the interactive map one. And on the third video, I will be customizing it and making it look fancy and not a blank white page, and instead looking like this. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!